This is not the night, my only company's this street light, and a feeling of emptiness within. You'll be sorry when you hear my songs being played on the radio. 1,000 people all singing along on a big stage sellout show. I bet you say you knew me well. A performance on the street, claiming that you love my music, everyone you meet. You'll be sorry when you hear my songs being played on the radio. 100,000 people all singing along on a big stage sellout show. I bet you say you knew me well. A performance on the street, claiming that you love my music, everyone you meet.
That was Deaf to the Strange with Piccadilly, and I'll tell you what, if you listen to the words in that song, it won't be long till we're on the radio. Well, you're on the radio now, guys, but you'll be on the big boys soon. But still, for the time being, stay on the indie stations. What a top Salford band. Don't half love them. And I love the moods as well. I've got to admit, I really do love the moods. And if you're in a mood listening tonight, I am a mood. Coming up next is a big funeral in Salford tomorrow, so I'm going to play Puff Daddy, I'll Be Missing You. And this is going out to anyone who has ever lost anyone. This song's for you.
This right here, Tony, goes out to everyone that has lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime. The night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death. Us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you. Till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep you, friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed. Strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. Us in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits. Stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Take what a bond to break. I'll be missing you. Vicky, who used to go with Ricky. She's always acting slicker, don't you know she's not the tricky? Well, there goes Callie and her friend Sally. With all these fly girls, we gon' know how to dally. But still you're acting alien, won't you tell me what's up? Let's walk to the bar and do the beat street strut. It's like jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Let's get it on. And let the band play on. Break it down. I'm not no Casanova, I'm just quick to move over. And if the girl disappeared, I told her to drop a roller. And you're always talking about, oh damn, I'm a man, but you don't understand. The girl Roxanne, oh, Renee, she was giving her body away, but it was back in the days when Mary was bugging. And there is Judy, she's got a nice booty. Fucking boys say that she's a real fly cutie. It's like jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Let's get it on. And let the band play on. Let's take it back to the old school hop. I'll break it down now. Venom, ha 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 ha. Let's get it on. Venom, ha 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 ha. And let the band play on. Venom, ha 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 ha. Let's get it on, get it on. Venom. Break. Venom. Venom. Ha 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 ha.
I said, jumping out of bed, I got something in my head. It's a picture, it's a story of Broughton and his glory. Gonna send it to the Salford Star. If you have something to say, maybe it's a fun day down your way. I'll fight for you right on a building site, on the land where your house once stood. They'll pull no punches, they'll fight hard to get your cause heard wide and far. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our Salford Star. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our salfordstar.com.
Wheels on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on a bus go round and round all day long.
Who do you want to be? Where do you want to go? Do you want to live a fast or would you rather take it slow? Well, is it just poverty that's planning your direction? What is the system for the next injection? Your 6 o'clock alarm call smacks you in the head. Open your eyes, lie there, you'd rather just be dead. Go about your business and do it all quietly and be another robot in today's society. Play the game by your rules, even if they're dirty. Have you ever stopped to think what you'll be doing when you're 30? A plasticine prison with a plasticine life, with your plasticine kids and your plasticine wife. Easy to manipulate, easy to be told. What we have to do is not break, but smash them all. Back to where we started, back from where we came. Here we are, there we go, and back we come again. In a hold of mental slavery, waiting for the golden handshake and maybe you want to make the search for truth and intellect. Find a for yourself, come alive, get wrecked. The symptoms of depression slowly settle in. You've got to do it now, whether you lose or win. Round and round in circles, round and round we go. Where it's gonna stop, nobody knows. It's a feeling of strife when you look at that wife when she's laying next to you on the bed. You think damnation, I want to start over and wishing that she was dead. Lean back on your pillow and reminisce at the times you were young and free. Never a thought of marriage or children, now you have a wife and three. Live that fast, or would you rather take it slow? Well, is it just poverty that's planning your direction? What is the sense for the next injection? Your 6 o'clock alarm call smack you in the head. Open your eyes, lie there, you'd rather just be dead. Go about your business and do it all quietly and be another robot in today's society. Play the game by your rules, even if they're dirty. Have you ever stopped to feel what you were doing when you're 30? A plasticine person with a plasticine life. With your plasticine kids and your plasticine wife. Easy to manipulate, easy to be told. What we have to do is not break, but smash the mold. Back to where we started, back from where we came. Here we are, there we go, and back we come again.